I just learned from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children that in our nation today, 1 in 5 minors within our nation will at some point in their lifetime send either a nude or be involved in sexting with another individual. If you do the math, in the state of South Carolina, that comes to over 300,000 of our youth. While this may seem harmless enough, for many of those youth, this is going to be the gateway that propels them into a life of victimization by sex trafficking. I'm not okay with that. Are you? At Lighthouse for Life, we have designed a community education program to come alongside parents in our state and help prevent this from becoming the reality of their child, or if their child has already found themselves in this unfortunate situation, to let them know that it does not have to sabotage their future. There is hope. Will you join us in getting that message across to the many, many parents in our state? Help us meet our goal of raising $30,000 through the Midlands Gives campaign this year, and we can use that money to spread this message to thousands across the state of South Carolina. Thank you for helping us to help our state.